Welcome to BLUETTI support. Today, we're using the Elite 200V2 as an example to walk you through the best ways to care for your BLUETTI batteries. And these tips work for all BLUETTI power stations. First things first, fully charge your unit before the first use. During daily use, keep an eye on the battery level. If it drops below 5%, recharge it right away. If it ever hits 0%, no worries. Just turn it off and charge it for at least 30 minutes before turning it back on. To keep your battery healthy, regular charging and discharging are essential. If you're not planning to use the unit for over 3 months, charge it to 40% to 60%, turn it off, and store it properly. For the best performance, fully discharge and recharge the unit every 6 months. Always store your unit in a cool, dry place, away from anything flammable. The ideal storage temperature range is -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Proper care is the key to making your battery last. Enjoy using your BLUETTI, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and support. See you next time.